to suffer of the body so that it reminds you you are not immortal. It reminds you of your humanity. It asks that you are kind to yourself. Slow down. Tend to your wounds. The disbalances and diseases are there like war wounds. They remind you that you have lived, you did your best. Of the fact that on this heroine path, you will die. Your body will return to the earth, and your soul will be liberated into the oneness. Better said, expanded, bridging sky and earth always. The disbalance and or disease are also a way of having attachment to past experiences and projecting into the future. When you live in the moment, accepting all that is, you are in balance. You are at ease. Accepting the decay, the death, just like seasons of a flower, is also another perspective on which you can ask me later. For this, one also is called to live on fully in the present until the body returns to the ground, which one can see as the end, but in reality it is another present moment. I pray for balance and ease. I pray for grace. I pray to transcend the need to suffer. I pray that I feel held. And you are. I love you. Hi! Thank you for being here on this path to free love and love free. I wanted to let you know that if you want me to record a video on a specific topic, you can drop me a question in the comments down below or via email. You will find the email in the description of the videos. I see you.